what made you say not capable of doing such a thing? Because you were an alleged party to it and nothing ever happened. So what?
Well, someone told me there was going to be a police investigation.
There is.
With this whole anonymous tip?
Yes.
Is it still going on?
I haven't heard anything.
Well, I was told by the police.
What the police had said was the cop doesn't have a clue what. There's nothing there, but because of the allegation, they have to investigate.
But there's nothing to investigate.
Exactly, but because the way the system is, they have to just go through the motions.
So they're still investigating?
I have no idea. I haven't heard anything about that. Now, but what I don't understand is you wrote this as if in the third person, like, no, because I know that you are not capable of doing such a thing.
I just want you to know that I don't, like, I don't know.
No, tell me. This is an opportunity to simply talk, because after this. So what inspired that? I'm so sorry because I know you're not capable of doing such a thing. To me, that's you're talking as if a third party to all this.
I don't know, I thought you were thinking that I don't know, because you weren't talking to me, so I thought that you were thinking that I may have, like, I don't know, said something to someone and then...
No, but the words...
No. I'm really trying.
The sentence seems redundant, because you know nothing happened, right?
Right, no, I know that.
So, but to say that I know that you're not capable of doing such a thing, it's like you're hearing this between myself and someone else. Is there something that I don't know yet?
I didn't know what you were thinking or what you thought of the situation, and I just...
No, that's not how. I mean, the whole sentence just right off the top impacted me. Like, I know you're not capable of doing such a thing.
Well, I know that you and I had a lot of conversations about stuff before in the past and what happened, and that, well, I was trying to say that, like, I did trust you, and I still do trust you, and I know that you'd never do anything like that, so this false accusation was bullshit.
I mean, I wouldn't do anything like that to you.
To anyone.
Well, yeah, but I know to anyone, but to you, because this is where you and I are talking right now. All right, well... There's nothing else that I'm going to be surprised with that you've heard of? You tell me. All right. Let's put it this way. It was more important by the to shut down the food program to maintain the standards of integrity than it was to actually help them. How screwed up is that? Now, I salvaged that by highlighting a few points, which I'm not going to get into any details, that if it ever got shut down, what would happen? It still stays.
What do you mean it still stays?
The food program won't shut down, and if it does, then could be some serious repercussions.
What?
Don't worry about it. The food program is going to stay. And what?
The whole program needs to get shut down. This is bullshit. This is so...
Now you're leading with emotion.
No, because
so what
I'm so sick of this. Like, I've been dealing with this program for a year and a half, and I've seen what happened to them. I've seen what happened to staff, and it's just I'm done. I'm done trying to talking to people around here, because the stuff that you talk to staff about is bullshit. They lie to your face. And there's all behind the scene crap that no one knows about.
See,
it's mad because
don't raise your voice with me.
Don't get to hear the truth like this. Well, you know,